2018 Toyota Corolla. How to replace the air filter. What you want to do is you want to loosen up this clamp here. It's a 10mm nut, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. You don't want to loosen it too much because you'll lose this little washer that's on the end of there. So these are usually bonded onto the cover. So what you can do is go like this with a little screwdriver, stick under it a little bit, just like that. Grab some penetrant spray, squirt it in there like that a little bit. Over to the other side. Just a little bit in there. And you just work your screwdriver just down along the side of it a little bit to help that penetrant to get down in there. And you go over here and you can wiggle it back and forth. And it comes right off of there, nice and easy. Okay. And then you got this mass airflow sensor right here. You got the wire harness and it goes into a fastener there. So whatever, you can just leave that there. But you want to just pick this up a little bit, and that'll give you a little bit of room with this cape, with that little wire harness. And you got a clip here. Pull that one down. You got another clip over back here. Pull that down. Then you can pick up the back like that. And you can slide the front out that way. And 2 hands undo it. See? Comes out pretty nice. Get your hands in there. And you can go ahead and pick up your filter and pull your filter out. All right. Fold it straight out. So if you notice right there, it's squared off and these are all round. Make sure you put your new filter in with the square there. If you got a vacuum, you want to vacuum that out, get all that dirt that's in there, leaves and whatnot. Put that in there, get it nice and flat. Have to pick up on your little cover. 2 hands, which I don't have with me at the moment. So what you want to do is you want to pick this up, get that in there. Make sure it's nice and flat. Put your cover on there. Slide it inside here, these notches. Slide in there, lay it flat, clip your clip, and put your hose back on. Here's what I'll do. I'll hold this up out of the way, stick that in there, then go underneath, lays down flat, clip and a clip. Pull this out a little bit, get it in there, wiggle it back on, snug up your 10mm or Phillips. Come over here, get your wire harness, push it back in there, snap it in a little bit. Your clamp is snugged up and your 2 clips are clipped, and that's how you do your air filter.